Some of the reasons Bugattis are so expensive include the fact that they are luxury cars, they are rare, and they have a lot of features that other cars do not have. Luxury cars are generally more expensive than non-luxury cars, and Bugattis are no exception. They are also rare, which makes them more expensive. Finally, they have a lot of features that other cars do not have, such as a high top speed and a powerful engine. These are the top 3 reasons why Bugattis are so expensive. 3. They have a high-performance engine that can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Some of the reasons why Bugattis are so expensive include: 1. They have a high-performance engine that can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. 2. They are handmade by skilled artisans using the finest materials. 3. They have a unique and exclusive design that is not found on any other car. 4. They are only produced in limited quantities, making them rare and collectible. 5. They come with a host of luxury features and amenities that are not found on other cars. 6. They have a long waiting list, which further adds to their exclusivity and value. All of these factors combine to make Bugatti some of the most expensive cars in the world. If you are lucky enough to own one, you can be sure that it is a truly unique and special vehicle. 2. They are limited editions with only a few made each year. There are a few reasons why Bugattis are so expensive. First, they are limited editions with only a few made each year. This makes them rare and collectible, which drives up the price. Second, they are made with high-quality materials and craftsmanship, which makes them luxurious. Finally, their performance is unmatched, which makes them worth the high price tag. All of these factors together make Bugatti some of the most expensive cars on the market. 1. Bugattis are handmade with high-quality materials. There are several reasons why Bugattis are so expensive. Firstly, each Bugatti is handmade with high-quality materials. This means that each car takes a long time to produce, and this raises the price. Secondly, Bugattis are designed for speed and luxury, and this combination is rare and sought after. This means that there is high demand for these cars, and this pushes up the prices. Finally, Bugattis are exclusive cars, and only a small number are produced each year. This makes them even more desirable, and thus more expensive. In conclusion, Bugattis are expensive for several reasons. Firstly, they are handmade with high-quality materials. Secondly, they are designed for speed and luxury. Finally, they are exclusive cars, and only a small number are produced each year. All of these factors add up to make Bugatti some of the most expensive cars on the market. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.